Hey TAP2TECH. This time guys I want to share with you a new guide where I'm going to show you guys like you can install any app on Google or Android TV quite easily regardless of the Chromecast TV or anything else out there. Well, quite easy or simple, our Google or Android TV. I'm going to show you how can you install any application that is not directly in the Play Store obviously, and that is compatible well with another Google or Android TV if you are interested in continuing watching this guide or tutorial. Remember that if it's the first time you've been through the channel, how can I not ask you kindly to like it, to comment, to activate that little bell, and to keep you up to date and active on the channel to follow you bringing this type of guide or tutorials that I usually bring to my channel so that you can enjoy it and continue, well, not in supporting me on my channel. That being said, guys, yes, let's go with the intro and start with the video. Well, gentlemen, this time, in order to proceed to install certain applications on our device, well, then I here need to meet several requirements. One of them is to have installed well. You don't need this TV application to be able to receive documents from your device to our smart TV, of course. You also need to have it installed, as we can see here. Well, since the smart TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and apart from that, we also have downloaded the application that we are going to install on our Google or Android TV. So once we meet these requirements to proceed to install any application that we simply need, well, first of all, we are not going to go to configuration. We are going here, we click on configuration. So, in the configuration section, we are going to go where it says, well, system in system. First of all, we are going to do this so that it does not allow install the applications now, because if not otherwise it will not allow us to install the applications that are not in the unknown source. We are not going to go then where it says system. Sorry, I have already passed about we are going to go, and we are going to go to the bottom. No, we are not going to go where it says system compilation or that Android. We are going to give it several times until it says that we are already developer programmers. We are not going to return now. Yes, we are going to look in developer programmer mode here, and as you can see it is activated. So here there are several options that we must touch so that this works 100%, and above all the device works faster. How can you see it? This comes by default in 256K. You can put it in 1 and 4 megabytes or in 8 megabytes. I prefer 8 megabytes because this is the version that has worked the most for me. Before I had it in 4 and it was still a little slow. Apart from that, we have an animation here that we must deactivate, which is the animation of Windows that come by default. Animation scale by 1. We are going to deactivate all this so that it does not help to have better fluidity and more speed on our Google or Android TV, and once everything is done we cannot even return to the main menu. So now in the main menu we are going to open the application to send a document. We are going to open it both on our Android device and on our TV. So here, as you can see, we have two options. Oh, I'm drowning. We have two options, one to send and one to receive. Obviously on our smart TV in receiving, and here on our Android mobile device in sending, we will send on our mobile device, and in receiving we will give it on our smart TV. Then on our mobile device we will search where we have saved said application. In my case it was downloaded and it has the name that you guys come to TV APK. The tutorial today we are going to do how to install Aptoide TV obviously on our smart TV. Then we are going to give it and it will start to send the document. But before that, as I told you, both our smart TV and our mobile device have to be on the same Wi-Fi network. we are going to select our Chromecast HD and the process will start, as you can see. Right there. Once our Android device has been changed, it no longer has any use because we have completed what we do have to do is go to the application, we will open it, and obviously you will not be extorted directly, but you will to leave the option that says the unknown file document cannot be installed. Go to settings and activate the option so that your TV can install files from unknown connected devices. They will give you that they select it and they can activate it. Once they do this, they will go back to where they are doing and they will click on the application, it will open and they will click on install, then the whole process will begin there. Depending on one application or another, this process can take several minutes. So, once this application is installed, you can proceed and use it normally. Now, what happens that these applications, as I am going to show you, one of these is installed. They will not appear directly where all the applications that we normally install from Play appear. Store. So we are going to need a launcher to be able to run this application or for it to appear, and if you don't know which one to install, then up here and below I leave you a video where you will be able to do it quite quickly and easily, and there it shows you an application. That is the one that I generally liked and the one that I use the most, and well, nothing. You can enjoy that application and install it, not up here, but below I leave that application. And in the description I'm also going to leave you the video of it so that you can go there and try this application or that launcher or that smart TV launcher, and you can enjoy any application that is compatible that you have installed on Google or Android TV. Here you can open it directly, or we'll give it ready later. What I want to teach you, you'll see. We can close this too. We're not going to use it anymore. So how can you see? If I click here, well, this application doesn't work for me. It does not appear anywhere. It does not appear at all. So we are going to open the launcher that I have installed so that you can see how it works. Everything is fine. And here guys, the launcher that I have installed is opening. So, as I told you in the description, and up here and down here is this launch for you to go over there and see and install it. Not, as you can see here, all the applications come out. We have Google TV, Apple TV, Aptoide, even the one we have installed now, which is this Distro.v, and all the applications come out here. Something else that I liked about this launch, that we can also directly find the Google Play Store here, Google Play settings, games, and so on. But so that you can see that everything works, you can open it directly. And it will open. It will launch the application when it is the first time you install it on the TV. Obviously it will tell you that there is an update. I will proceed to download and install it. If you wish, no. Then we will accept it. It will start there to update and everything.